Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Angular. So today we are going to learn about the select drop down in Angular. So have a look how we are going to implement it. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on it. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the package that I'm going to use, that is Angular ng select, right? So I'm going to copy this module. I'm going to install this module in my Angular folder. So here we go with installation. If it meanwhile it is installing, let's add of the dependencies and all. Just go and check with this. Here we need to add this one ng module if you want to add or something. Just copy this and add this in your module. Where is app.t? Let's open the VS Code. At the same moment, it installed. Yeah, it is installed. Let's run the command. Okay, so moving to the next, we have to go with this one and go with app.component.ts. Okay, so here we need to define that. No, it's not this one. App module. Okay, so here we need to register that module. Import ng select module. Copy this and add this in your declaration here. Okay, this is ng select. And what next they are suggesting? Then we have to Angular forms. I'm not using the Angular forms. Okay, then add it. It's, I think we don't require it, but let's have a look on that. We don't miss anything. Okay, it's not there, right? So we don't require it. Okay, done. Moving to the next part, we have this is done. Now we have to include in a theme, right? So this we don't require it. Then we have to add into our example component. So I'm going to use this one, selected car and all. So let's go to our module. So here we go with the app component, add component. This is UI, this is component.ts file. Okay, so I'm going to add it over here. So here I'm going to add this one. Okay, selected car and cars, right? Moving to the next, we have to add this one, ng select module. This one we are going to use, right? ng select. And here we go with the add book component. So I'm going to add it just below this one. Okay, selected car, that is ng model that I have used over here. This is the selected car. Okay, so let's have a look how it looks right now. Add books, we have saved the code or not? Add books.html. Let's add the top of it. Okay, this is not showing, right? So there is a UI. This is that the color, as thing, it is not showing. You can see that we have whatever we have selected, open, body and all. Okay, so suppose it is simply, it is like you single one, right? If we want multiple, so how we are going to add this, right? So let's have a look how we are going to add it. Let's make it in a bootstrap part, so I am able to see that part, right? So I'm going to uncomment all this line what we have in this. So let's have a look on that. Okay, and let's add this select over to it. Control X, and let's add it over here. It is in the template. Okay, so we need to remove this one. On this one, let's save this and let's have a look. Template URL. This we need to be commented out. View word wrap. Okay, let's add it over here. I'm going to take this one. I'm just wrapping in a div. End of the file. This is on what is pending. Unexpected end of the file. Unexpected template URL add component.html. Add component.html. Let's remove and check. Comment this. Add this. Div class container. Okay, and you put it in that part. Let's see. It's compiled. So here we go with this one part, right? Okay, so this is, I guess it is single one, right? So we are going to, if I want like multiple, so how I'm going to use it. So there is a parameter that we need to use over here. So here we go with the parameter that is multiple true. Just copy this, add this multiple over here. There is a parameter we need to add this multiple true, right? If I go and check this part, right? And here we go with this Volvo, then this, then this, then this, then this, then this. You have a multiple, right? And if you want like on the cross click, you want to add some of the perform actions. So there is a one attribute that we have to add. That is, we have to use this one, remove. So you need to just copy this, go and to the code, just add it over here. Okay, so on remove, so I'm going to take this in a add component.ps file, right? And I'm going to create a function over here. So I'm going to create function, and let's have a look on click that console.log is coming or not. On the behalf of it, you can perform the actions, right? Console.log, hi, I am here. Okay, so let's have a look on that. Dollar event arguments but got to okay. Let's add this one event any, right? Compile successfully. Let's have a look on that. Okay, so here we go on this one, F12. Okay, this one, that one, right? So if I click on this cross button, you can see that I am here. If I click on this one, I am here two times, right? If I click on this one, three times, right? So when I click on the cross button, remove item, so you can add the logic also over here. If I click on this one, so what event you want to trigger, you what logic you want to add in a JavaScript, you can add. Okay, so I think that here on the note, you can see that in the add component we have the items. So there is a cars, right? So here we go with this one. You can see that. So I will explain the code. So here we have the selected car, whatever we have selected it will go there, and that list of item that I want to render, it should be stored in the format of this one. So that's there's ID and there's a name, right? In the component.html we have the name, that we are bind label with the name, and value should be the ID, that is a number, right? So this is how you can, and the ng select mode, that is selected car, whatever we are going to select you can use that part. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.